Hello everyone, today I have created this crack effect with some rays, and this is very simple and easy effect. You can easily create this. I will show you each and every step how did I created this. It's looking nice. It's very simple, but you can use it in other effects. Okay. This is not overall effect, this is just a part. It's simple crack and raise. So let's see. First of all, in Maya I took a reference of crack. This is single image and I just applied it on a planar and just logged it with layer. Then I created mesh, simply a planar that I extruded and traced my crack. Very simple, you can easily create. Just take a simple plane and you can just simply extrude and extrude and extrude and this way you can easily create your crack. Okay, then I applied a gradient material and unwrapped the UV properly. Just see the UVs. I open UV this way so that the gradient will go from one point to another point and all the cracks are open this way. If I click on one, you can see straightforward, very simple UVs. Okay, then I created my rays. This is my crack. I extruded this rays from the edge of my crack, like if you click on edge, you can extrude it this way. Okay, and then I open the UV of my rays, and let me apply the gradient material. This is I think this one is my gradient. Yes, this one. Select or assign. Why these are not okay? Now this is showing. Okay, both UVs are same, crack and my rays. You can see here they are going together. Okay, this is my rays and this is my crack. So you got this. You can, I think you can create your rays and cracks. Then I imported in Unreal gallery, meshes, crack. Here is my cracks and my rays. SM rays, and I have distorted a bit in Maya. You can distort it. You can simply do manually, or I applied texture modifier and use a noise texture to distort my mesh for random rays. Okay. Then I have created this material SM crack sorry, this is for rays. Here what I have done, color is white in particle, I will change the color in particle. Then I take a noise taxer, and tiling is 100 and 0.1. 0.1, so it will stretch like rays, and 100 is it will repeat the rays. Okay, then I'll love this from the edge, so they are soft on upper side. And here is my mask. You can see if I set it to 0.2, you can see there is showing my rays, and if I set it to 1, they are disappeared. This is the value step. And how does it work? You have to give it a gradient, and I just simply took my gradient out of my texture coordinate mask, and then I linked it to my value step. And the mark offset I used in dynamic parameter, that I will use in my particle system. And here is some other nodes. These nodes to distort my mesh on Z axis. Okay, this is connected to the world position offset. And now this is my particle. Okay, this is my crack. This is dynamic parameter. You can see in erode I use loss of key for the stepping effect, and then crack and rays, small rays and bigger rays. And the color is white here because I used vector parameter. This will work in viewport. Here if I play this and I select my crack, I can expose my parameter from here. Let me stop it. Expose. Here is the color, and now I can change my color from here. If I increase my blue, it will turn blue. So this is only one effect, and I can change color randomly, so I don't have to change color in my particles. Very simple, very useful, and looking nice. You can use it in many type of effects. When something hits the ground and rays come out. If you have any questions about this, any problem that you are not understanding, let me know. Comment below in video. I will try to solve your problems. Let's check materials again. If you have any problem, you can check it. We have seen crack. We have seen this is a crack material. Very simple. I just have a noise with a pattern, and I use value step. How value step works, let me show you. You should not confuse value step. You have texture coordinate. Okay, take a component mask, and you have text, you have your gradient. If you want upside down, can have. If you want to animate a black and white value from up to down, you can take a value step. Just pin your gradient here and black. Now you can take a constant, put it here. If you increase the value, you will see a gradient or a sharp gradient, black and white, will animate. It will go from 1 to 0. 1 is white, 0 is black, 0.5 it will be in middle. So you can animate this in use dynamic parameter here, connect it here, and then you can use it in particles. So this way I used it to erode my texture in crack and raise. Okay, so you got this point. I use this gradient in value step. You can see here, if I increase the value, 0.5 it's in middle, 0 it's white, 1 is black. Okay, I think now it's clear to you. Okay, you can see very nice effect. I will change the color to, and I will just simply the color, and I will don't need to do so much. You can just easily change the color. Okay, looking nice. Thank you and bye. Subscribe, comment, share.